You are welcome once again to our maths and physics class online. We are here to continue to solve indical equations under indices. Today we are having this equation 5 raised to the power s minus 1 is equal to 1 all over 625. From our previous video that we dropped, we have seen that 625 is the same thing as 5 raised to the power 4. So if we express that way, the left hand side becomes 5 raised to the power x minus 1, and the right hand side is now 1 over 5 raised to the power 4. From our previous video that we also dropped, we also told you about negative indices, which is also referred to as reciprocals, that we're having here as fraction. So can I express this one to be a straight line? Yes, I can express it to be a straight line. In what way? I can bring the left hand side now to be 5 raised to the power s minus 1 equal to 5 raised to the power minus 4. You see that 1 all over 5 raised to the power 4, the 1 all over has changed. It has vanished, and that is what has made this 5 raised to the power positive 4 to become negative 4. So that is what we have done. In this first stage, what did we do? We want to express the left hand side and the right hand side to have the same foundation number, the same numbers, the same foundation values that will make both of them to be equal. Now we have 5 already given to us. The question that we ask is, can 625 be expressed as 5? Yes, we express 625 as 5 raised to the power 4, which is the same value with it. If you multiply 5 into 4 places, you get 625. So you cannot see that they are having the same base values, they are having the same foundation values, 5, 5. If they are equal, it means that their power are also equal. The next thing we have to do is to express this power as equality, then find the value of the unknown. The power on the left hand side is x minus 1. It's now equal to minus 4. So we say therefore s minus 1, which is the power on the left hand side, is equal to minus 4, which is the power on the right hand side. So we have expressed this to be equal to this. So if we express that to be equal to that, then what is now the value of x? We have said that when you have equations, whatever you do to the left hand side, you also do to the right hand side. For me to have x remaining here, I must add 1 to this side, or I move this one to the other side. If I move it to this side, s will remain here, minus 1 will move to the other side. Since it is minus 1 on the left hand side, it will change to plus 1 on the other side. We are going to take class on that in our subsequent videos that will come, on how this movement is done and how the values and the signs are affected. But in this case, let us just go forward in applying this. So I'll remain x here, x equal to minus 4 is there already. Minus 1 is crossing to the right hand side. It's moving from the left hand side and crossing to the right hand side. Instead of minus 1, it becomes plus 1. It's now minus 1, minus 4 plus 1. So that's the value we have. So what is the value of minus 4 plus 1? This is another mathematics or arithmetic that is difficult for many, but it is a very simple thing. This can as well be written in another way as saying 1 minus 4. If I want to reverse it, instead of writing minus 4 first, I write it the second, then the plus 1 will come first. This is 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 4, what is the value? If I ask you 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. That is the value. But what about if I reverse it as in this case, 1 minus 4? Instead of just being plus 3, it becomes minus 3, because you are reversing the smaller to be first and the bigger to be second. So since you are reversing the normal arithmetic, the sign will also change. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, what about 1 minus 4? It becomes minus 3. It is not 3. So because you are reversing the process. So the same thing goes here. If I want to rearrange it, I can rearrange it as this first one. But if you are good in maths and you are familiar with it, all you need to do is to say minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3, which is x. So x is having the value minus 3 based on this equation. What have we done so far? 5 raised to the power s minus 1 is equals to 1 over 625. I want to express 625 to have the same base value as the left hand side. Can it be done? Yes. 625 is the same thing as 5 raised to the power 4. 5 raised to the power 4 can be changed. Instead of being fraction 1 over, I can change it to be straight line expression, but it will not remain positive. It will not change to negative. We learned that from our negative power. Then, if we've done that, then the base numbers are the same. Once they are the same, it means that the powers are also the same. That is why s minus 4 is equal to minus 4 is written here. S minus 1 rather is equal to minus 4 written on the next stage. If that one is true, I have to move this minus 1 away from the left hand side. If it goes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 1. So s becomes minus 4 plus 1, which we have here. So minus 1 plus 1 equals minus 3. Because it is minus 3 because the larger number here is having negative. So the answer must be negative. If the larger number is having positive, the answer will be positive. Just like this place now. The larger number in this place is 4. So it is plus 4 minus 1. So 4 is the larger and is having plus. So that's why the answer is plus. But here, if we look at it, the larger number is 4 and it's negative. So the answer will be negative. That is how that mathematics is done. So thank you for watching, and we hope that you get a better understanding of this. Please like, comment, share this video, and follow this page. Share so that you get this video whenever we upload. Follow this page for you to get more videos firsthand whenever we upload them, and for others to as well benefit. Thank you for watching.